Hello everyone, welcome to Chinese with Ting. This channel is to help people understand Chinese grammar and for advanced learner to know more something behind the words. And I will use many practical sentences and different scenarios to make you understand. Today we are going to talk about 想 and 要. When we say, I want a cup of coffee, should we use 想 or 要? Both 想 and 要 are auxiliary verbs. 想 indicate a desire to do something. 要 describes something decided and is going to be realized. Let's see some examples. In the early morning, when I come to my office, I want a cup of coffee. But when I open my computer, hundreds emails are waiting. At that moment, I just want to say, 我想喝咖啡。我想喝咖啡。After a long day, I just want to say, 我要喝咖啡，要，马上要。我要喝咖啡，要，马上要。Let's see some more practical examples. 我想减肥。我想减肥。But so much delicious food. 我想学汉语。我想学汉语。我想出去玩。我想出去玩。Virus time. Let's see some more practical examples. 明天早上我要开会。明天早上我要开会。我要开会。Tomorrow morning, I will or I have to, for sure, I will attend to a meeting. 我不去，我很累，我要睡觉。我不去，我很累，我要睡觉。I'm not going. 我很累 I'm tired. 我要睡觉 I will. I'm going to sleep. 他们买了票。明天要去看电影。他们买了票。明天要去看电影。他们 they 买了票 bought ticket. 明天要去看电影 tomorrow for sure they will go to see a movie. Now are you better with 想 and 要? I hope today's video is useful for you. If there is something unclear, you are very welcome to leave me comments. I will answer you as soon as possible. This is Ting. I will keep sharing Chinese grammars. I will see you next time. 再见。